So what's the deal with the premium on gold coins? Let's break down what really makes up their price.
Okay, part one, the intrinsic value. That's just the value of the actual gold in the coin. And usually, this raw metal value makes up the biggest chunk of what the coin is actually worth. But a coin is way more than just a lump of gold, right? That's where perceived value comes in. This is the cool part. It's about its history, its design, how rare it is, and of course, demand. And that extra value? Yep, that's what we call the premium. It's the price on top of the raw gold. See, you're not just buying gold. You're buying an object with its own identity and its own story. So let's be clear. A premium is not a fee, it's not a tax, and it is definitely not a loss. It's a two-way street. You almost always buy a coin with a premium, and you sell it with one too. Okay, so how do these premiums change over time? This is where it gets really interesting. Well, when the market is calm, premiums are pretty stable. They just nudge a bit with supply and demand. But when things get stressful economically, demand for physical gold can shoot up, and so do the premiums. This creates a kind of leverage. The coin's value gets a boost from both the gold price and the demand. You might be thinking, does all this make gold coins more risky? Let's look at that. Actually, not really, because a gold coin has a built-in safety net. It's always worth its weight in gold. Plus, remember how premiums are usually stable? That means you'll likely sell at a similar premium too. So here's the million-dollar question. How do you know if a premium is actually fair? First thing to know, not every premium out there is justified. Anyone can ask for any price they want. So, how can you tell? Simple. Use the market itself as your guide. You've got to compare prices. If a bunch of different sellers have similar premiums for the same coin, it's probably a fair deal. Which really brings us to the key takeaway. A good premium is just a market premium. Simple as that.
So don't think of the premium as a flaw, it's just part of how the coin market works.
So what you're really buying is gold with that safety floor, plus the potential upside from the coin itself.
So the trick isn't to avoid premiums, it's to understand them and pay one the market agrees on.
So now that you know the formula, how will you look at the price of the next gold coin you see?